How you doing? And thanks for tuning in today for Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment. We got a nice 2017 Ford Escape here in the shop. We're featuring our LIN-6 right in the upper part of the grill. It's a very easy installation. Drill a hole for the wiring and mount them right there to the top part of the grill. We can synchronize those together just like you see here, flashing white and amber alternating like that. Again, that's our LIN-6, and there'll be links to these products shown on this vehicle right in the description of this video. Here's a little off-axis shot so you can see the spread of light. Those LIN-6 lights have a very nice linear lens that spreads the light angle almost a full 180 degrees around the front of the vehicle. You can see what I mean right here. We're approaching 180 degrees, and we can still see both colors quite clearly. Let me spin around and show you the Wicked Slick Stick on the back window. Alrighty, around the back there, you can see we've outfitted our 6-head Wicked Slick Stick. It's an amber and white full dual color light bar with multiple patterns. And we also integrated the flood mode. So when the customer needs a little bit more rear lighting, they can simply activate switch number 2 and get the steady white light as you see here. Everybody loves the flood mode. Here you can see how we mounted that stick. Went ahead with the brackets underneath the trim, bolted it right up, and ran all the wiring through the factory wiring grommet here. That way there's no wires hanging anywhere. Here inside the vehicle, as you can see, that green and red light, that's actually from our switches that we've mounted right up there. We've got a push button switch for our pattern. I'll try and get you a shot there. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Oh, can't see in the... There you go. So as you can see, we mounted our switches right there. And when you step back, you can see the LED actually reflects off of the instrument cluster there. Even with light, you can still see it quite clearly. So very difficult to drive around and forget that your strobe lights are on. As long as we're talking about the Wicked Slick Stick, let's go ahead and show you some of the patterns on it. This would be pattern 1. Okay, I'm going to move the camera a little bit, and I darkened up the ISO so you can see the color changing of the actual bar. This would be your first pattern. That's your second. That's your third. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that pattern demonstration. You can check the links in the description for all of these products. And check us out on wickedwarnings.com. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Share this on your favorite social media. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.